Hey guys, this is Jesse.Davenport. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Dutchmen Denali 278. If you come around here on the side, this one's set up for cold weather. All your stuff's up underneath here. And then right over here, this one has auto leveling. That's your auto leveling button right there. One thing about the Denali, this one has a front cap. Goes right on the front here. Nice frameless windows. The power awning down the whole side is all adjustable. If you come on side here, right here's your vacuum cleaner. This is the rear kitchen across the back. The solid surface counters. Stainless steel sinks, microwave, oven. It's a 3-burner there. This one has a booth instead of table and chairs. Coming up here in the front, got a nice walk around bed. You got plugs around the bolts around the bed there. Take a look in here, your bathroom area. Got your sink here, a nice big shower. It's all ducted AC. And if you have any other questions, my number's on the screen there. You can call me on my cell phone, 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.